At Transport for Wales, we know what a reliable rail service means to you. That's why we're investing £40 million to improve our current fleet of trains and introduce additional services, so we can give you the rail service you deserve as quickly as possible. When we took over in October 2018, we inherited trains that have been working hard for many years. These ageing trains had to work really hard over the autumn and winter months because of the storms and bad weather. And they're still working hard, as more and more customers are using our services. But our trains are tired and need some TLC. That's why we've been busy repairing them when they've broken down and doing some extra maintenance to improve their reliability. We've also been doing some things behind the scenes that you might not have noticed, like installing wheel slide protection on some of our trains to make them more resilient in wintry conditions when leaves and other debris find their way onto our railway lines. We're doing all this so our trains spend less time in our depots and more time taking you where you want to go with minimal disruption. And even though these are busy times for us, we aren't stopping there. We're improving the accessibility of our trains and updating them inside and out. Inside, we're improving our customers' onboard experience, and outside, we're giving them a facelift, so you'll see more trains with our distinctive red and silver brand. We've also been increasing our capacity and introducing additional services. In October 2018, we planned to retire our Pacers by the end of 2019, but we're delaying their retirement. They're going to help us out for a short while longer as we bring more trains into service. While we're doing all this, we're also preparing for the new. We're busy behind the scenes building our new trains, which means by 2023, we'll have increased capacity by 65%, and 95% of our customers' journeys will be on brand new trains. Transport for Wales. We know what it means to you.